I like it. It's a good fit. We made the right decision here. We got that. I don't discriminate, whoever wants it, they can get it. Who am I not to strangle the neck presented? If it's offered to my grasp and I can grip it. My hands get bored sometimes, so I might have to rip it. His eyes popping out his motherfucking dome. Coincidentally, this wasn't a route I chose to take you home. You's a bitch, but you don't represent you represent the hoe. And if there's one thing that count from a dick like me is I'ma fuck the hoe. Think the bullshit in the way you tried to fuck me over. Thinking I don't need to fertilizer my garden grower. All of this is in, I flip it. I find a way to turn it to a come up, and I bet it feeds my children. I always pull it out, but I got a lot of kids. I'm easy to find if you look where the top and the bottom is. Didn't see the shining things that the money brings. They did it, won't get down, but it's too late to be counted amongst the saints now. I'm living without you. I did it without you. Got here without you, and I stay here without you. You even got mad too, but you did not have to. And I'm not a bad dude, it's just that I had to. I'm breathing without you, I flourish without you. You'll figure it out soon when I leave you this last clue. You even got mad too, but you did not have to. If I told her bag you, then she would be glad to. She been waiting patiently for me to tell her leap. She been waiting patiently to put your ass to sleep. She touch you won't sneak, cause I got drill game on fleek. Got bitches out here sucking dick like they got no teeth. And she won't weep if you chickens won't beef. I'm deep rolling with the clip that gets it done. Had to get out here and fuck shit up for fucking fun. And it led to funds, had to stash them in her buns. Then I made my dip and dash in full stride on the fucking run. Don't shoot me, cowboy, I already tossed my gun. Put them bodies down, kicking it twisted with Ari now. And I'll probably clown, get more shell than your taco ground. Might been it before, but at least we can make shit happen now. I serve place to everyone who's shitting in this town. If you see me doing good, you should take it as a challenge. Being jealous about another won't bring you bread and salad. I'm living without you, I did it without you. Got here without you, and I stay here without you. You even got mad too, but you did not have to. And I'm not a bad dude, it's just that I had to. I'm breathing without you, I flourish without you. You'll figure it out soon when I leave you this last clue. You even got mad too, but you did not have to. If I told her bag you, then she would be glad to. Look what I did on my own, now all these lonely folks wanna move in my home. But good God, hold up man, y'all gotta go and get your own. And pay me my gift to Caesar what is his, cause that's just the natural way of life in this business. Give me all my shit, I get sick of this. So, with that shit said, I'ma be alright. Here's some more wings you can use for your flight. My instead of doing good, I lose fucks on my plight. Born into the ground, but I'm not afraid to fight though. Tell me what I am and not just tell me what I fear. You be thinking for a while, so I'll give me a couple years. Can't always predict where they going, they shifting, but I got the footwork, so I catch up quickly. The unsatisfied have no idea what they've done. I'ma get the rest now, let's give the people what they want. From my hometown, coming city near you. My influence heavy, I'm a spark the lights and fuse. Now we blowing up, need a whole thing. Give me all of it, even a loose change. Fuck you on them jabs trying to take at me. You talk a lot of shit, but you never say the place to be. I'm still a young man, so I got bitches face me. She let her run off in her mouth because she let her taste the king. Alamo, no one compares to the throne. If I take you for a walk, then you should drop your shit, cause they'll go upside your head if you do it in the crib. I'm rich, bitch. I am cake in wartime, everybody wants a piece. My nutsack is I say serta, but it's still where you hoes sleep. Every path I took made me less than smart and crazy. And it's the good and bad and none of that bossed me up and raised me. I said I did it alone, but baby that's a lie. Cause I took all your lashing whips and made it a pimped out ride. That ain't shit. Your heartless at some point will not be able to deny. So let's fuck your whole big bitch, I am set for life. I did it without you, I did it without you. Did it without you, bitch I came up without you. Breathing without you, stay here without you. Who did it without you? Who did it? Bitch, I did it without you. I am the man now. I I am the man. I'm rich as ass fuck. I'm a rich asshole. Which no man who roamed around. I'm a rich asshole. I'm a rich asshole. Bitch, who put the route together. Who circumvented the motherfucking whole fucking process. This whole time, I might let you live. Bitch, you fucking not shit. Ooh, ah, ooh.